Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about how to fix iPhone notification not showing or not working after iOS 17 update of any iPhone. So how can fix this issue? So I will request to my all friends, all subscribers, all viewers. Please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So do not waste any time. So fix this issue. First of all, do not waste any time. You should be restart your iPhone. So how can I restart your iPhone? So for volume up button and volume down button, and then press the power button when you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then your notification is working. If there are first solution is not working on your iPhone, their second solution, your make sure notification are turned on. So you should be open the setting, and then you have click on notification, and then you have click on show previews, and then you have must be select the always. I have already select the always, and must be you should have be select the always, and then your problem will be fixed. If there are second solution is not working, their third solution, you have turn on the mobile data. Mobile data in my iPhone is not available, and then you have your mobile data available, and you must be turned on. And then other solution, you have check your Wi-Fi connection are available not available, and then I have checked the Wi-Fi available on my iPhone, and then you have must be check your iPhone on Wi-Fi connection. And then last solution, you have reset your iPhone, reset all setting. So again open the setting, and then you have click on general and scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset, then click on reset all setting, and then iPhone given a passcode, and then do not lose any mobile data, only reset all setting, and then your problem will be fixed. So hopefully guys, after watching this video, you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel.